Hi everyone, this is Ali from TechWrath. In this tutorial, we will be looking at the screen orientation settings for Android Studio. In this setting, you can actually fix your app or the game to be played or used in either portrait, landscape, reverse portrait, reverse landscape, or both orientations. So stick around for the tutorial.
Welcome back everyone. Let's kick off our tutorial for today. Now we are assuming that you have already installed your Android Studio in your machine and you have already created an empty activity or your project. Now for the tutorial, we're just going to show you the version that we are using of Android Studio. It's 3.4.1 and the build was on May 2nd, 2019. You can also tally the JRE and JVM version. We're using a Mac Pro 17 inches. Now, to start off with, go to the top left hand side corner and make sure that you're in the Android section. If you're not, you can just click the drop down menu and click on Android. Next, click the app folder and you will see a manifest folder there. Click in it and you will see by default Android manifest.xml. And before opening that up, I'm just going to show you how many activities we have in our project. So go to Java and inside you will see your domain name folder. In our case it's TechWrath blog, and you will see two activities there, which were splash screen and main activity, which will be by default at your end. Now double click Android manifest and it will open on the right hand side and you will see a bunch of code there. In our case, because we have two activities, hence you can see the splash screen activity here and the main activity. If you've just created a new project, in your case you'll only have the main activity. I'm going to zoom in just to show you a simple line of code that will fix your orientation to landscape, portrait, reverse landscape or reverse portrait as per your requirement. Go to the activity that you want your orientation to be fixed. In our case, we're going to main activity and we're just going to fix the layout of it. Inside that activity, we're just going to write down Android colon screen orientation and you'll see the option below. From there you can select portrait. In this example, we're going to fix our activity or the screen to portrait. Now Android Studio gives you the flexibility of choosing your activity and the orientation you want in it. In our case, I'm just going to copy this one and go to our second activity, which was our splash screen. Fix the layout a bit. And in the activity, we're just going to put in the same line of code. Now I can leave it to portrait and both of the activities will open in only portrait. But for an example cause, we're just going to put in landscape here. Now what will happen is that when the splash screen would be seen, we can see the splash screen in landscape or portrait view, or we can just fix it in this case in landscape. And when we'll go to the main activity, could be our main menu, it'll show you in portrait. And that's about it. And this is as simple as copying the same line to all your activities, or you can customize your activities as per your requirements. Like we've just fixed it in portrait, so both of them are in portrait view. That's about it. Now this should work in all of your projects in 2019 and onwards, unless Android Studio makes some upgrade or differences. And that's about it. Do let us know about your project if this has helped you. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon below. You can also see our description for the line of code. We'll be putting it in our blog, and you can visit our blog at techwrath.com.au/blog. I hope you can give us some feedback, suggestions for the tutorial. And you can give us also suggestions to do more tutorials, the ones that you want us to make a video about. This is your host Ali from TechWrath. See you next time. Bye.